Welcome back to Minimal Momento. Today I'm going to show you how I built a bathroom countertop and a wooden laundry basket. First I cut the sides and bottom of the basket using 18mm plywood. For the countertop I used pine timber board. Links will be in the description below. After I cut the pine board on size, I had to cut out few pieces where the water pipe and sink waste pipe is located. I used my jigsaw for these cuts. I used this tape as a guide to mark and make a round cut for the sink waste pipe on the board. To make a quick straight cut with my jigsaw, I used my level as a tracking rail. I didn't want to have any screws visible, so I used dowels on the side of the laundry basket. I purchased this dowel jig online. It's very simple and quick to drill those holes for dowels precisely. I will make a review about this jig in the near future, so stay tuned. When finished drilling the holes, I sanded all of the pieces with 40, 120 and finally 240 grit sandpaper using my sander, then with 320 grit by hand. This created a really smooth surface. Then I applied 2 coats of oil-based poly to protect the wood. Between coats, I gently sanded the wood with 320 grit sandpaper again, since the poly made the surface rough. Now I just had to put the basket together using wood glue and dowels. I made a small mistake while I drilled the holes for the dowels. I didn't set the depth correctly, but this will be covered by the fabric. I used clamps to hold the basket together until the glue sets. For the bottom piece I used screws. I pre-drilled holes and used countersink to make them flush with the surface. Then I installed the wheels. This allowed us to move the basket easily. After this, we made a cover for the outside of the basket. First, we measured the outside of the basket and cut the fabric to this size. Then we added another piece of fabric to the bottom. Sewed them together, then folded and sewed the edges. We used 2 pieces of stick-on fabric tape to be able to remove and wash the whole piece easily. Then this tape was sewed to the edges of the fabric. A quick double check and it's done. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and share the video. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.